Okay. No
What?
quality.
What?
Give me something better.
Okay, what do you want?
I would need lights.
Light it is. Let there be light.
Okay, I'm gonna do a very quick unboxing because I can't wait. I need something that's soft and big and also with lights. So Razer stickers. This time it's not green, it's kind of reflective and silvery. And
RGB.
okay, I need lights. Give me them lights. Okay, there's nothing else inside. Control panel, cable, and a wrap. Wrap needs to come off quick. No, terbalik. And lights. This is what I want. Oh yeah, since I'm using Huntsman and a Goliathus RGB. Is it called Goliathus RGB? Since I'm using a Huntsman and also a Goliathus extended Chroma, let's just go on and sync both of them together because you know, Razer Chroma, everything needs to be in sync. And yes, I have OCD with my lighting, except for this because we don't have a Razer mouse. Alright, we got Razer Chroma set up, and right here I'm using the Razer Synapse software. Gonna set it to, let's just say wave, because Mexican wave, why not? Speed, let's go for the highest, screw this. Okay, let's just talk about a mousepad for one. You wanna come in and talk about it?
Yes.
Yes, because my
it's
henchman,
RGB.
my henchman is the one who chose this mousepad, and he deserves a opinion on this mousepad as well.
Okay, if you've been using Razer's product for years, you should know that they have two types of version for their curved mousepad. One is called the speed, and the other one is called the control. So for this surface, it's kind of rough.
Kind of high friction.
So it's probably the control version, but they never actually stated on the box. So
Yeah.
that's up for you to, you know, have your own brainstorm about it.
And usually they have the two versions of the two surfaces of a mousepad by just inverting the whole surface, but this time around you can't invert it because it's just rubber behind.
And what makes it special, I'll say special, is because of this strip of lights.
Yes, and you can see it's
Well,
synchronized.
it's probably something you call the EL, but it's the RGB version of it, and the control, it's done by this little box here. Yes, it's a little box with USB cable here. Nowadays, you need USB cable for your mouse pad.
Yeah, you need USB cable for your headphone, USB, your mousepad, keyboard, mouse, everything.
I do have one suggestion for Razer. Yes, is that because you already have a USB cable attached to this box, why not you include a USB pass-through here?
That would be really convenient. And also spare me another USB port because I have limited ones on my desktop.
So that's pretty much for our suggestion.
Yeah, and very quick rundown of what this Goliathus extended Chroma. Quite a mouthful, but yeah, it works.
Come on, it's Chroma, right?
Yeah, everything needs to be Chroma nowadays.
Okay, so that's pretty much our quick overview on this mousepad. It's too long, I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah.
And do let us know what you think of this mousepad, especially for the kind of RGB and the stitches they have.
Yep. And also, of course, Chroma with your Razer keyboard as well.
And also do check out our video on this Razer Huntsman standard in the link below. And that's pretty much it, I guess.
Yep, that's pretty much it.
Oh yeah, do check out our social media platform as well. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And that's all, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye.